by default, Leo product recommendations pop-up color looks like this. But if you want to change the color of your pop-up, then simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, and from there, go to your Leo product recommendations settings and click on this style tab. And from here, you can change the pop-up color settings from here under pop-up color setting. You can see that we have all the options available for changing the color of every element in the pop-up. Okay, so let me just change the model background color from here. Okay, simply click on this, and from here you can select any color you want. Suppose I want a color like this. Okay, and from here click on save settings, and you can see that here it says settings set. And let's reload the page and click on add to cart from here, and from here you can see that the pop-up background color changed. So by using the same procedure, you can change all the elements color. Okay, and you can also reset the pop-up color from here, simply clicking on reset pop-up colors. Okay, so simply click here, reset pop-up colors, and after that scroll down and click on save set, and you can see that it says settings saved. Let's go to the front end and let's reload, and let's click on add to cart again, and you can see that we have successfully reset the pop-up color. So that's all about pop-up color setting.